I got 3 big pieces of whiting fish. That look like they got that thick cheddar cheese on there. Look, look, they making fresh. They making fresh, y'all. Mom's sitting back here making fresh. I'm about to go in. I'm gonna eat food from Simpers, y'all. Yo, we on the train right now. It's off the hook. Everyone's headed to the Caribbean Parade Festival. We about to get off here in Utica. Let's go check it out. Looking good. Yes, oh, looking good. Oh, y'all got that fish too. Oh, you got the whole piece. Right here, right here? Right here. Over here? Okay, I'm gonna come back. That's what I'm talking about. Right there, some fish. I'm getting some fish, y'all. Look at that fish. Look at that. That look like that red snapper, man. I'm not sure. What's that, mac and cheese? Yes, it's mac and cheese. Y'all online? Y'all online? All right. We gotta wait, y'all. Word is born, y'all. This is our first stop. We got some mac and cheese and we got some whiting. And do you guys have a brick and mortar location?
Yes, we have. It's called Caribbean American.
Caribbean American. Where's the location?
Queens, New York.
Queens, New York. Y'all check them out. Well, hold on. Let me taste the food first. We gotta taste. I'm getting ahead of myself, y'all. Even them onions, those look good, man. The onions and the peppers and the whiting and the red snapper. And that macaroni cheese look thick, y'all. It's nice and hot.
It's nice and hot, baby.
We're gonna get it, y'all. We're gonna set it to the side. You got a spoon and stuff in here? Napkin? Oh! I got the whiting fish. Y'all know I love fish. And I got macaroni and cheese. We're gonna get some more traditional dishes, but y'all know I love fish, so I seen these young folks over here, they had the same thing. I was like, where y'all get that food from? They was like right behind us. So I'm following suit, man. Check it out. Just that thumbnail right here. That's really good. I wish it was a little hotter. That breading on it is the bomb. That's pretty good. I got 3 big pieces of whiting fish. Let's try this macaroni and cheese, y'all. That look like they got that thick cheddar cheese on there. See that cheddar? Yeah, you still got the mac and cheese, man. It's real good, y'all. Oh, that mac and cheese, y'all. They got $10 rum punch, $7 flags. I give this plate an 8. On to the next one. All right, y'all, it's time to get more Caribbean with it. I gotta figure my way out over here, y'all. Let's squeeze in. Look, look, they making fresh. They making fresh, y'all. Mom's sitting back here making fresh. I'm about to go in. I'm gonna eat food from Simpers, y'all. Let's go check it out. Can I squeeze through there? I'm gonna squeeze through here. We're gonna check out. Y'all take cash out? Yeah, we're gonna take. Huh? Here, right here, right? Yeah. Yo, we gonna check out Simpers right here at the Caribbean Festival. Word is born. Check it out. Right here. Right there, y'all. There's a sign right there. Simpers. Simpers Delight. 973-207-2666. 2593. We're at in Jersey. Where y'all from in Jersey? Huh? Y'all from Newark. You know me? You don't know me? What? Y'all ain't from Newark. They said they from Newark, y'all. Y'all know I run Newark. And they don't know me. Now, let me stop. Simpers. Who from Trinidad? Who's from Trinidad? Oh, yeah? What? What? We gonna get some. What's she getting, y'all?
Cabbage only.
She got that cabbage only. Oh, y'all. She got some doubles like right there. I want the shrimp doubles. All right, y'all, I got that doubles. Let's go back and check it out. Check it out. Thank you, young lady. I got a napkin. All right, here we go, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. She made it, y'all. Maybe not, huh?
Semper Delight.
Semper Delight. Check it out. Check it out. Can I go back through this way? Look, y'all. They back here making fresh food. They back here making it fresh. I got some doubles. I'm about to get busy. It looks delicious. Thank you. It looks absolutely scrumptious. Check it out. Check it out. I don't like the way the sun is covering this thing here, y'all. But we're going to do this anyway. Let's check it out. They back there making, what's the name of this bread? Y'all put it in the chat. I used to know because I went to the doubles guy and they were making it fresh. Like the young lady back there is making it fresh. It's got them chickpeas in there. It's got the shrimp on there. Let's check it out. You know, I wanted to ask for a fork so bad, but I know you don't eat no doubles with a fork. Yo, this is absolutely delicious. My hands are all greasy, wet. Look how big the shrimp are. This was $8. Good deal, right? The shrimp are nice and tender. They're not overcooked. Simpers in Newark, New Jersey. I was like, y'all not from Newark. They was like, yes, we are. Look at that, man. Look, you can even see these spices. They got the spices in there. What was that? What's this little stick from? Chickpeas on there. This is so good. Sis, what kind of contacts you got on? What kind of contacts you got on? You wild.
It's a brown.
They nice.
Called Secret Garden.
Oh yeah? They real nice.
Right? Thank you.
You got a fork? Don't laugh at me. You got a fork?
Oh,
She said no.
won't laugh at you.
Oh, she said no. I thought she said no. We don't use a fork when we eating double.
Why not?
She said we don't, but why not? Don't be laughing at me, y'all. Here we go, here we go. Gotta eat some of these chickpeas. This is my second meal of the day. All right, y'all, I gotta go. On to the next one. They got that corn right there and that chicken. They got the smoke. It looks good, brother.
Tequila shots. No,
sound good. This is the crossover, y'all, at Rogers Avenue. Yeah, Zach, it's
Yes.
called Free Life Cod.
Yes.
What's your name, brother?
Frank.
Frank, you followed, you only saw one of my videos?
Man, I've seen hundreds of your
You said
videos.
he's seen hundreds.
Hundreds of his videos. This black man is blessed. He represents father.